Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Journey. Easy steps, great English.
Brr, it's cold outside. Are you ready to master the magic of winter vocabulary? Let's dive in.
Winter.
Winter is the coldest season of the year.
Freezing.
Freezing is when water turns into ice because of the cold.
Chill.
Chill is a feeling of coldness that makes you shiver.
Cloudy.
Cloudy is when the sky is covered with clouds.
Storm.
Storm is bad weather with rain, snow, or thunder.
Snowstorm.
Snowstorm is heavy snow with strong winds.
Blizzard.
Blizzard is a very strong snowstorm with high winds.
Snowfall.
Snowfall is the amount of snow that falls on the ground.
Snowflake.
Snowflake is a single small piece of snow falling from the sky.
Ice.
Ice is water that has become hard and frozen.
Icicle.
Icicle is a hanging piece of ice formed by dripping water.
Hail.
Hail is hard balls of ice that fall like rain.
Window frost.
Window frost is a thin layer of ice on a window pane.
Wool.
Wool is thick hair from sheep used to make warm clothes.
Long johns.
Long johns are warm underwear worn under your pants.
Sweater.
Sweater is a warm top made of wool or cotton.
Snow pants.
Snow pants are waterproof trousers worn for playing in snow.
Parka.
Parka is a heavy jacket with a hood, often lined with fur.
Coat.
Coat is a warm outer piece of clothing for cold weather.
Boots.
Boots are strong shoes that cover your feet and ankles.
Scarf.
Scarf is a piece of cloth worn around the neck for warmth.
Beanie.
Beanie is a soft hat that fits closely to your head.
Earmuffs.
Earmuffs are coverings worn over the ears to keep them warm.
Mittens.
Mittens are gloves that keep your fingers together for warmth.
Gloves.
Gloves are hand coverings with separate parts for each finger.
Snowplow.
Snowplow is a large truck that pushes snow off the road.
Shovel.
shovel is a tool used to pick up and move snow.
Trail.
Trail is a path through the forest or snow.
Slope.
Slope is the side of a mountain used for skiing.
Lodge.
Lodge is a small house or cabin in the mountains.
Igloo.
Igloo is a house made of blocks of hard snow or ice.
Snowman.
Snowman is a figure made of packed snow that looks like a person.
Sled.
Sled is a small vehicle used for sliding down snow.
Skating.
Skating is moving on ice using special shoes with blades.
Snowboarding.
Snowboarding is going down a snowy hill on a single board.
Penguin.
Penguin is a black and white bird that lives in the ice.
Reindeer.
Reindeer is a deer with large horns that lives in cold areas.
Cozy.
Cozy is feeling warm, comfortable, and safe.
Firewood.
Firewood is wood prepared for burning in a fire.
Fireplace mantle.
Fireplace mantle is the shelf above a fireplace.
Slippers.
Slippers are soft and comfortable shoes worn inside the house.
Blanket.
Blanket is a soft cover used to keep you warm in bed.
Quilt.
Quilt is a thick bed cover made of different fabrics.
Hot cocoa.
Hot cocoa is a sweet and warm drink made with chocolate and milk.
Soup.
Soup is a liquid food made by boiling meat or vegetables.
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread is a sweet cake or cookie flavored with ginger.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree is a decorated tree used to celebrate Christmas.
Stocking.
Stocking is a large sock hung up for gifts on Christmas Eve.
Mistletoe.
Mistletoe is a plant used as a Christmas decoration.
Snow globe.
Snow globe is a toy with a scene and snow inside a glass ball.
Santa Claus.
Santa Claus is the man who brings gifts at Christmas.
Sleigh.
Sleigh is a vehicle pulled by horses or reindeer over snow.
Gift.
Gift is something you give to someone on a special day.
Celebration.
Celebration is a party or event for a special occasion.
New Year.
New Year is the first day of the year.
job today. To keep your English journey moving forward, click right here for more fun lessons. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.